Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Suno AI to turn your voice into a song. Let's get started. First, go to suno.com and sign up or log in your account if you already have one. Next, on the left panel here, click on Create, and down here, click on the Audio button to upload your own audio. You can choose to upload a file by clicking on Select a File, or you can also choose to record here in Suno by clicking on Record Audio. So I have recorded a sample audio of my voice right here, and you can choose to trim yours if you want, but I will leave mine as is. And then let's just add a temporary title. And here, let's wait for them to generate a picture. Or you can also add your own image if you want. And then once this pop-up appears, just click on OK. And then click Confirm and Save. Next, let's just add the necessary details here, like for example, the lyrics of the song. And then you can also choose to make it instrumental here by clicking on this button here. You can also add the styles that you want. I'm just going to put in dreamy, mellow, and acoustic. And then just add the title of your song right here. And once you're done, just click on Create and wait for Suno AI to generate your song. So after a few minutes, Suno AI has used your voice and generated it into a song. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.